Another great and simple Qigong movement I call swinging fists. So imagine having your two fists, or swinging hammers. Sometimes I call it swinging hammers, okay? Just kind of get the relaxation in motion first, right? So we're swinging our fists and using our core. What does that mean, using our core? We're literally like floppy ropes, right? But we're swinging our fists around in a circle. Now, if you have shoulder issues, you want to be careful, but you can keep the movement small. But we're swinging fists up and around, up and around. And if you can, get into a light horse stance, giddy up horsey, okay, horse stance, or like standing pole exercise. And same thing, but you want to use your core. You don't want to just robotically move your arms. You want to swing. Swing. And if you can turn your head in the direction of your swing and follow your hands, your fists, even better. And then go in the other direction, nice and easy. You don't want a vicious swing, just a nice swing. Round and around. Fist swings, like this. Breathing out, breathing out, breathing out. Just as simple. And if you want to start by rocking, you don't have to get into a horse stance either, just nice and relaxed. Posture, you never want to swing like this, puts pressure on your lower back. A dignified posture, as I always call it, dignified. And you can stand up nice and tall and just do gentle swings. You can even add into a step if you want to, which would look like this, right? If you want to make it tricky. But you don't have to do that.